Hello, Ruth Squires here with RES Luxury Group. White glove service, red carpet treatment. It's all in the name. We are not the same. This is week 6, tip number 6 of my For Sale by Owner video series. And this week I want to talk to you about disclosure. So when you're selling your home, the theme is disclose, disclose, disclose. You cannot over-disclose when it comes to pertinent facts about your house. So in the real estate profession and Keller Williams brokerage, we require our sellers to complete what's called a seller's property disclosure form. So this is a helpful tool because it walks you through questions and makes you think about things that may or may not have occurred during the ownership of your home. So things like the age of your roof, have you ever had any leaks? If you have, describe the repairs that were done, or what was done to the roof or where it was leaking, those types of things. Is all of your are all of your appliances working properly? If not, disclose. Where is the location of your septic system and drain field? Have you had any problems with the system? Just all of those really important details that would not be readily observable by a buyer when they walk through the house. So this is as much for you and your protection and peace of mind as it is for the buyer. Oftentimes, people will say, well, the buyers are going to do home inspections, right? And in most cases, yes. While we can't force buyers to do inspections, we highly recommend as real estate professionals for buyers to do their due diligence and do all inspections that are available to them of the home. This, however, does not find everything, and if as a homeowner you know of something, you want to let the prospective buyers know. So a seller's property disclosure allows you to hand this form to the buyer, they read through it, and they acknowledge that they have received this information, and it is a form of protection for you during the sale of the home. So this is really incredibly important, and I also like to remind everyone that it's not just filling out the form initially. It is also important that if anything changes during the time you have the house listed, that you make those updates. So although you're probably taking care of something, let's say a bathroom sink starts leaking and you fix the leak, you still should disclose on your form that this occurred and how you took care of it. So it's just a way of being very transparent and helping the buyer to feel comfortable that they know the history of the house during the time you've owned it. So hopefully this tip is helpful. If you would like more information, or if you would like to have a copy of the seller's property disclosure, I'm happy to provide that. Just give me a call, 352-794-1426. So that's it for this week. I will see you all next week. Thank you.